Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please take the time to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I will be making some bratwurst corn dogs using pancake mix. So let's check out the ingredients. For today's recipe, I'm going to use some Johnsonville smoked brats. It comes in cheddar flavor and other flavors. You can use any brats of your choice. I have some pancake and waffle mix. You could use any pancake mix of your choice. I have some vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I have some water. And lastly, I have some wood skewers. First, I'm going to preheat my oven and broil at 400 degrees. I'm placing my brats in a lined baking dish. You can use any baking pan of your choice. And I'm going to broil them for 10 minutes. The first thing I need to do is mix my pancake batter. So by the way it looks, I think I put way too much water. So let's fix this. So now I'm going to add the pancake mix a little at a time until I get the right consistency, as well as some of the previous mix as needed. Look, we're learning together. This is my first time making these. So I think I got the right thick consistency that I'm looking for. So I'm going to pour my pancake mix into a tall cup. My brats are already out of the oven and placed on a paper towel to drain the excess oil. I'm preheating some vegetable oil on medium heat, and I'm putting enough oil to cover the whole brat. I have placed all the brats on a skewer, and now I'm going to dip each one of them into the pancake mix. And I'm going to place them in the oil while rotating them continuously until they are golden brown. It is going to float because of the pancake batter. I'm also using another skewer to place tiny holes to make sure that the brats are completely cooked. Y'all, I love how it's coming out. Look at that color. So I'm going to continue until I've used all 6 brats. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever made bratwurst corn dogs. By the way, I have never tried corn dogs before. What about you? So I'm trying to step up my skills. I'm trying to see if I could do 2 at a time. I think I'm having too much fun. This is the last one. Here are my bratwurst corn dogs. They came out amazing, y'all. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.